would like to welcome you in our Investors Night. In this night, we have a lineup that's in store for you. Some of it is within our existing concepts. Some of it, we have a whole new concept to introduce to you. Aside from this night, in investing, properties, we would also like to invite you to enjoy this intimate and quaint night with us. So again, welcome to VHBC Investors Night.
Here in front of you to tell my story on how I turned my failures into success and turning my wounds into wisdom.
Sabi nga nila, having a grateful heart, having a grateful spirit is a secret to success. Agree ba kayo dyan? Can you just find the partner on your left, on your right, and just share what are you grateful for today? Alright, 30 seconds. Share lang, what are you grateful for today? Guys, real estate is long-term. I hear of people coming to me, Sir Carl, can I invest now and sell in 3 years? Sabi ko, it's too short. You need really time. If you want something short, go to other products. But real estate is best played long term.
Because of our rapid growth, and all our accomplishments before, what I would like to present here in our segments is to give you first-hand opportunity you may grab before all others.
VHBC ay ginawa so not only to earn from the company, but the company itself would like to help sa ating mga employee, sa ating mga partners, sales team, brokers, agent, and of course ito rin nating makatulong doon sa mga lugar na nalalagyan natin ng ating mga projects. So, at the same time, siyempre, ma-deliver namin yung magandang produkto ng VHBC para sa ating mga kliyente.
Yeah, this is one way for our company to share the profit or the potential income of this real estate project that we have, because we value them and we treasure them, and this is really the way of giving back to the people the benefits of real estate investing.
I'd like to thank everyone. Actually, I'd like to thank this day, despite of the weather na nakapunta lahat. So, Actually, I would like to see this as a blessing in disguise, no? Despite of what happened, may pumunta pa din, naging successful pa rin yung event. You are now actually a part of the VHBC family. I'd like to give, my gratitude to all the BNT, all the real estate brokers for making this event successful and to everyone. So thank you very much, and I welcome all of you who here who have invested. I all welcome you. Welcome to VHBC. Thank you, everyone.